Hello everyone, today, we'll introduce how to use the ML45 upright microscope. First let's take a look at the main components of the microscope. This is a microscope camera, camera port, trinocular head eyepiece tube and eyepieces, objective turret, objectives, slide holder, mechanical stage, XY stage control knobs, condenser, aperture diaphragm, field diaphragm, coarse and fine focus knobs, color temperature adjustment knob, brightness adjustment knob, digital display screen, function buttons, power switch. The inner ring of the left focusing mechanism is a tightening device. On the back of the microscope are the interface ports: USB power output, Type-C power input, DC input or output, reserved expansion port, XY motorized stage interface, Type-C remote control interface, DC input or output. Now let's introduce the functions of the digital display. Mshot logo, color temperature display, auto light off setting, brightness memory setting, and voice prompt function. Objective magnification, brightness indicator bar. Next, let's see how to use the ML45 microscope. After connecting the power cable, turn on the power switch. Place the sample on the stage and secure it with the slide holder. Switch to the 10 objective. Check the objective's numerical aperture, which is 0.25. Adjust the aperture diaphragm to about 60-80 of 0.25. While observing through the eyepieces, use the coarse focus knob to locate the focal plane. Once the sample is in focus, use the fine focus knob to obtain a clear image. You can then switch to the 20 objective for observation. When using the 20 objective, check its numerical aperture, which is 0.45. Adjust the aperture diaphragm to the corresponding position. Then use the fine focus knob again to sharpen the image. This ensures consistency between the eyepiece view and the software display. That concludes the introduction to the operation of the ML45 upright microscope. Thank you for watching.